Hello everyone, welcome back to our basic Excel course. Today we're going to explore a super useful feature that helps keep your spreadsheets neat and easy to read: how to hide columns and rows in Excel. Hiding columns or rows is a simple way to temporarily remove data from view without deleting it, making your worksheet look cleaner and more organized, especially when you want to focus only on the most important parts. To get started, first select the column you want to hide. You can do this by clicking on the column letter at the top. Then simply right-click and choose Hide from the menu. Instantly, the selected column disappears from your view, giving your spreadsheet a tidier appearance. You can do the same with rows. Select the row number on the left side, right-click, and pick Hide. That row will be hidden right away. This method is perfect if you have sensitive or less important data you don't want cluttering your screen, but still want to keep in your file for later use. When you want to see those hidden columns or rows again, just select the columns or rows on either side of the hidden data, right-click, and choose Unhide. Your hidden data will reappear instantly, ready for you to work with. This feature is especially helpful when sharing files or presenting data, so you can control exactly what others see and keep your workbook clean and professional looking. Don't forget to subscribe and follow along with the next videos in this basic Excel course.